This is a product demonstration video for the Crafters Snap Fastener Set, the B3730. To make one snap fastener you need 4 bits. 2 have got points on, one's a male, it's got a little bit sticking up, and one's a female, it's got a little hollow. I'm just going to show you on this old pillar case. I've just punched a hole through the material with the pointed awl. I'm then going to place one of the points and the female. Doesn't matter what you use, male or female on either side, as long as you do use a pair. I'm going to get the tool, make sure it's fitted on properly on the bottom. It is a quite nice snug fit, and then just give it a push. And then you can see that the point is actually flattened in there, ready for the other bit. So again, let's just do the top. So about opposite it, I'm going to make another hole around about there. Put the pin through there, and now I need the male connector to go onto top. Again, get the tool, make sure it's fitted in there, and come down and give it another push, and you should see that it's fitted quite nicely in there, and then it clicks into place. So then you have a snap connector. So here I've fitted 3 snap connectors now, so that my son's pillow case, when he's got his pillows inside, are not going to fall out. Snap connectors. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com, and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.